look like them girls in the magazine.
She have dreams.
She got big dreams.
Big dreams.
See yourself on the big screen again. She asks, do you love me? I say you're just right. Absolutely, I love you just the way you are, girl. You don't have to change. You don't have to do a thing, no. Just the way you are, girl. If you put on a phone and if you take off a phone, ooh, she fits me. Ooh. And she give me love plenty. Ooh, she authentic. This are the real thing. These are no plastic. See, I got big plans. Big plans. The wife from you, the husband. Yeah. Say what it is you like about me. Me say woman and not fit change nothing. I love you just the way you are, girl. You don't have to change. You don't have to do a thing, no. Just the way you are, girl. If you put on a pound and if you take off a pound, ooh, just the way you are, girl. And wake up with no makeup, we not break up. Just the way you are, girl. And in my eyes, you're a star, girl. Yeah.
Touriss, how would you rate your performances tonight?
First one wasn't as I expected, but I came back and did what I had to do.
And you do your thing. All right, let us hear from the judges, starting with Anthony.
You lightened up, you seem to be having more fun, but again, my problem is that, you know, give us another genre, don't give us another reggae song. I mean, I wanted to hear something else, but that was the better performance for you for the night.
Conroy.
Touriss, Jamaica loves you just the way you are. Listen now, that was very good. I liked how you moved around the stage, you just had an energy, you were enjoying it. You are believable, and I liked that.
Alaine.
Touriss, the heavyweight championship, and it's the last round. And you say, me? Then now knock me down, you know. Me come back. What do you mean, take uppercut? Me a dance. Listen to me now, that was so much better than the first performance. You are so lovable. You can sing. There is something exciting about watching you, especially when you get to that place that you were a while ago. The notes weren't all perfect, but that's all right because it was so enjoyable. Good job, Touriss.
Alaine, thanks, judges.